A dream vacation, it's something we all crave. Stunning destinations, unforgettable experiences, and memories to last a lifetime. But here's the catch. How do you plan that dream trip without draining your bank account? It's possible to have an incredible travel experience without breaking the bank, and today, we're sharing the secrets to planning a dream trip on a budget. In this video, we'll guide you through every step of the way. But before, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Let's start with a clear budget. How can you make your dream trip possible if you don't even know what you can afford? Before you even think about booking flights or hotels, you need to sit down and set a clear, honest budget. Think about everything: flights, stays, food, activities, shopping, and even emergency cash. Without a budget, your dream can quickly turn into a nightmare. Setting it early keeps you on track and stress-free. Remember, knowing your limits actually sets you free to enjoy more, not less. Budgeting lets you prioritize what's most important to you, whether it's fine dining, adventure, or relaxation. It also prevents you from splurging on unplanned expenses and helps you stay disciplined throughout the trip. Once you know your budget, everything else falls into place and you'll feel in control, not overwhelmed. Next, pick destinations where your money stretches further. Why visit one expensive country when you could explore 3 affordable ones instead? Choosing the right destination is like finding a treasure map. You want the most adventure for the least cost. Places like Vietnam, Turkey, or Bolivia offer breathtaking sights, rich cultures, and delicious food, all for way less than Europe's hotspots. Stretching your dollar means stretching your experiences too. Imagine exploring temples, jungles, and beaches without checking your wallet every second. Affordable destinations often have a lesser-known charm, from remote villages to untouched landscapes. Plus, lower travel costs mean you can stay longer and really dive deep into the local culture. Whether it's street food or unique experiences, you get so much more for what you spend. Travel in the off-season. Have you ever dreamed of having famous places almost to yourself? Believe it or not, timing your trip smartly can save you a ton of money and avoid massive crowds. Off-season travel means cheaper flights, discounted hotels, and fewer tourists clogging up your Instagram shots. Imagine yourself wandering through Rome's streets in November or lying on a Thai beach in May with peace and quiet. Sometimes the best memories are made when everyone else is staying home. You'll also discover seasonal charm like snow-covered castles in winter or blooming meadows in spring that peak season travelers miss. You get more personal experiences without the rush, like local festivals or hidden gems you miss in peak season. The off-season also gives you a better chance to interact with locals and enjoy their culture at a slower pace. Plus, your photos will look a lot more unique without the crowds, making your trip even more special. Use budget airlines and smart transportation. Think cheap flights are all scams? Think again. Budget airlines and smart travel hacks are the hidden gold mines of budget travel. Airlines like Ryanair, Scoot, and Spirit can take you across countries for the price of a pizza. Sure, you might sacrifice a bit of comfort, but the savings are enormous. Pair that with public transport like buses and trains, and you'll move around like a local, cheap, fast, and full of stories to tell. Look for airline sales, promotions, and flexible dates for even better deals. If you're traveling between cities, overnight buses or trains can save on accommodation costs while giving you more time to explore during the day. Many destinations have excellent bus and train networks that let you explore more for less. And don't forget about rideshare apps. They can often offer an affordable local way to get from one place to another, adding an extra layer of convenience to your adventures. Stay somewhere affordable but comfortable. What if your hotel had a kitchen, a couch, and even new friends? Forget pricey hotels. Welcome to the world of hostels, guest houses, and budget rentals. Websites like Airbnb, Hostelworld, and Booking.com are filled with affordable gems. Plus, many places offer free breakfasts, free walking tours, or even bike rentals. And let's be honest, sometimes the friends you meet at a hostel bar are worth way more than room service and silk sheets. You'll also find that staying with locals offers a more authentic travel experience, often with insider tips on the best spots. Affordable accommodations also help you extend your travel time and explore more without worrying about your wallet. And hey, some of the most memorable nights come from hostel hangouts or backyard BBQs with fellow travelers. Plan your meals like a pro. Are you eating your budget without even noticing? Food can be one of the biggest travel expenses unless you get smart about it. Skip the fancy restaurants aimed at tourists. Instead, dive into local street food, tiny cafes, and supermarkets. Many hostels even offer kitchens, letting you whip up your own delicious meals. Nothing beats buying fresh bread, cheese, and fruit and having a picnic at a famous landmark for less than $5. Eating where the locals eat not only saves money but gives you a taste of the culture too. You can also find street food markets offering the most authentic meals for just a few bucks. And with a little prep, you can avoid resorting to expensive tourist traps that charge a premium for mediocre food. Book early and watch for deals. Ever wish you had a secret window into the cheapest deals? Well, you kind of do. You just have to plan ahead and know where to look. Flight comparison sites like Skyscanner and Google Flights can save you hundreds if you monitor prices and book early. The same goes for hotels, activities, and even museum tickets. Planning ahead doesn't just save money, it saves you from stress and missed opportunities. Booking in advance also guarantees you'll get the best spots and deals, especially in high-demand locations. And with apps offering last-minute deals, it's easier than ever to find discounted options, even when you're closer to your travel date. Think ahead to plan for both your big attractions and hidden treasures that may not be available last minute. Use travel reward programs and points. What if your everyday coffee runs could turn into free plane tickets? If you're not using travel rewards, you're basically leaving free money on the table. Credit cards with travel perks or airline loyalty programs let you rack up points on things you already buy. A few smart moves, like using points for a free hotel night or a free flight upgrade, can turn a good trip into a great one. Just remember, pay off your credit cards to avoid debt. The goal is freedom, not financial chains. Many credit cards also offer additional bonuses for signing up or reaching spending thresholds. Think of it as earning rewards for things you're already buying. It's an easy win. Pack light and smart. Ever thought your suitcase might be costing you extra? Overpacking doesn't just weigh you down, it can cost you major baggage fees too. Stick to essentials and versatile clothes. One pair of good walking shoes, a few mix-and-match outfits, and a small backpack can take you far. Besides, carrying light makes spontaneous adventures easier. Imagine running to catch a sunset or hopping on a last-minute bus. No driving a giant suitcase behind you. Packing light also means less time spent lugging heavy bags and more time spent enjoying your trip. Investing in lightweight, high-quality gear means you'll feel more comfortable and travel smarter. And remember, you can always buy what you need locally if you forget anything. Find and enjoy free activities. Can a free day be even better than an expensive one? Absolutely. Many of the world's greatest experiences don't cost a dime. Think free walking tours, open-air concerts, museum-free days, beautiful parks, public beaches, historic landmarks. The list is endless. Research free activities before your trip and keep an eye out for local festivals too. Sometimes the most magical moments, like watching the Eiffel Tower sparkle or hiking a hidden trail, don't cost anything at all. Local tourism boards often highlight free events that can add even more value to your trip. Don't forget to enjoy nature. Many countries have incredible parks, hiking trails, or beaches that are 100% free. Your dream trip doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. By using a few smart strategies, you can explore the world without going broke. What's the first destination on your dream travel list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired, stay savvy, and keep exploring.